In today's video, we are going to start off with our new chapter, that is budgeting. In this video, we would be covering the meaning of budget. We would be covering the features of budget. Thirdly, we would see the comparison between forecast and budget. Fourthly, we would be covering the utilities of budgets. That is, why are budgets useful for an organization? Budget. Children, you must have heard this word budget, that the government is coming up with a new budget. What do we mean by this budget? Budget is basically prepared to see how the scarce resources, the resources which are limited in nature, how they can be utilized in the best possible way. What can be the way in which there can be optimum utilization of the available resources? That is, budgeting is a technique which deals with planning and control. Same goes for the case of an organization. In an organization, the resources are limited. They are less in number, but they have to be utilized in the best possible way. This is why budgets come into place. Now, let us know what do we mean by budgets at length. Budget is a detailed plan. It is a plan for a specific period, which is for future. Budgets are not prepared, children, for the present needs. They are prepared taking into view the future. Budgets are prepared in detail. Why are they prepared in detail in an organization? So as to see as to what all can be increased or decreased, so that the performance of an organization can be enhanced, can be increased. Say, for example, the company is right now producing 1000 units per day, but it wants to achieve the target of, say, 2 lakh units per month. So the company plans to increase the per day units so that it can make more units and achieve its target. So this is why the budgets come in place. Budgets basically help in checking, help in analyzing where does this deviation, where does this flaw, where does this barrier comes in between the actual performance and what is expected. So, budgets play a key role. Now, let us see, a budget is a formal expression, plan and policies laid down by the management for the concern as a whole and not for subdivisions. Budgets, children, are prepared not only for one department. Every department prepare its own budget, so that all the departments, they can coordinate, they can work together with the common objective, with the common goal to achieve the company's targets, to achieve the common goal of the company, that is to earn profit for every year. Children, you must be knowing budgets are prepared. If you see the government prepares budgets, it prepares them for a shorter duration, for a lesser duration, say for an year or so. Same is the case in an organization. Budgets are prepared for a lesser duration. A budget is a financial or a quantitative statement prepared prior to a defined period of time of the policy to be pursued during that period for the purpose of attaining a given objective. Yes, children, budgets need to be in the terms of quantity. That is, a budget should mention as to this much quantity is expected. Say, for example, a sales budget. The sales department prepares a sales budget. It decides that it has to sell, say, 1000 units per day. So, there has to be either monetary or physical units quantity in a budget. Budgets are not prepared on the basis of estimations that okay, if not 1900 would be done. They are based on quantity, that is set quantity. There has to be a definite quantity which has to be mentioned in a budget. So we can say a budget is a tool that managers use to plan and control the use of scarce resources. A budget is a plan which shows the company's objectives and how management can intend to acquire and use those resources to attain those objectives. Now let us see some main features of budgets. Budgets, as we have already talked, they are related to a future period. Children, they are not prepared for the present. They are prepared for the future requirement, and they are prepared in detail. That is, each and every action which would be taken to achieve the targets, to achieve the objectives of the company need to be mentioned. They are prepared well in advance. Budget is based on objectives. Yes, children, the budgets are prepared on the objectives, not on the personal objectives. Say, not on the objectives of the salespeople, not on the objectives of the production manager, but they are prepared on the basis of objectives of the company as a whole. That is, the objective of company is either to increase the sales or to increase the profit. So budgets are prepared keeping in view the objectives of the company. They are expressed in monetary or physical units. Yes, children, the budgets, as we have already talked, they are based on the physical units or the monetary units. Say the budget is prepared keeping in view that for this year 2 crores revenue, 2 crores profit would be generated, would be there. So there is a monetary thing attached to a budget. Say the budget is prepared keeping in view that 1000 units per day would be achieved. So we can say that budgets are based on quantitative statements. That is why they are called. Based on objectives to be achieved and policies to be persuaded by the organization. Yes, children, we have already talked about it, that the budgets are based on the objectives of the company, not on individual objectives. Now, let us talk about a comparison between budgeting and forecasting. Before we talk about budgeting, the process to prepare budget is known as budgeting. That is, when we prepare different budgets, that is the sales budget, production budget, purchase budget, these all together make the process of budgeting. Now, let us talk about a comparison between forecast and budget. Children, you must have heard this word forecast, weather forecast. What is a forecast? Forecast is basically an estimation. We estimate the weather forecast people, they estimate that the weather will be cloudy today, will be sunny today. Same is the case in business also. Forecast in a business means estimation, that is, it is probability that this will happen and this might not happen. So, when we talk about forecast and budgeting, forecast is basically an estimation of what is likely to happen, whereas budget, they are prepared keeping in view the future and a definite condition. A forecast is judgmental, that is, they can be made by anybody. But a budget is always prepared by the people who have the authority. That is, it is prepared by the authorities of management. That is, it is prepared by the managers in the company, in the organization. Forecast is based on probability. A forecast forms the basis of budget, whereas a budget is a wider term. It is not only estimation, it is based on detailed actions, children. It is based on definite conditions. In a forecast, there is no need for coordination, but in case of budgeting, there is a need for coordinating the different departments of an organization. Only then a budget of the company to achieve the objectives of a company would be a success. Forecast cover a period of several years, whereas a budget, we talked about it, that is prepared for a lesser period, say an year or so. Budgets involve control as well. We talked about it that they are prepared for planning as well as controlling. But whereas a forecast is not prepared keeping in view the variations. They are not prepared for control. There need not be any kind of control in case of a forecast. But in a budget needs control. That is, the activities which are not required, they need to be controlled and they need to be deleted by the manager to achieve the accurate performance. Now children, let us discuss about the utilities of budget. Why are budgets useful? Number 1, budgets are useful for sound planning. Yes, when we talk about budgets we had talked they are used for planning. So, budgets we would say they are required for planning the resources in an organization. Resources in an organization, children, we talked about, say the raw material, the cash, these all are limited in nature. But a company needs to plan its resources. For that, the budgets are required. The company needs to see that there is no deviation in the use of resources, the limited resources. There is no judgmentalness, that is, a person does not think from his own perspective. The budgets are prepared keeping in view the objectives of the organization. So the budgets need to provide sound, fair, effective planning so that the resources are used in the best possible way. Higher efficiency. Budgets help in achieving higher efficiency. Say for example, budget is prepared by the salespeople, keeping in view the product-wise sale, date-wise sales, week-wise sales and month-wise sale. But why are they prepared like this? They are prepared month-wise, week-wise, day-wise, so that the objectives, the sales targets, they are achieved. They are achievable, because when we would divide the target of production, we would be able to achieve it. Say for a month, the target is to achieve 2 lakh per unit. So the sales department divide this 2 lakh into per day targets, month targets, yearly targets, weekly targets, so that these targets are achieved, which will further lead to higher efficiency, more of the targets being achieved. The third point is sense of responsibility. Yes, budgets give a sense of responsibility. That is, they provide responsibility to each and every person who is involved in this budgeting. That is, every manager feels that he or she is part of the organization. Say children, supposingly in a class, if we decide that each one of you would be given some task, so you will feel responsible, isn't it? The same is the case in an organization. When the managers, they are given the responsibility that each one of them is equally responsible for achieving the objectives, they will work more efficiently, they will feel responsible towards those objectives. So budgets help in creating that sense of responsibility. Coordination. Budgets help in coordinating the different departments. That is, it helps in coordinating with the different department, that is, each one of them, they work together as a team so that the main objective of the organization is achieved. Supposingly, the inventory is short in an organization. that is the raw material is less in an organization, the production department will coordinate, will work with the purchase department so that the raw material can be ordered, and then they will work with the sales department, they will coordinate, they will work together as a team with the sales department so that the sales are not hit, they are achieved well in time. So the budgets, they provide this kind of coordination, that is working as a team. Next is delegation of authority. Budgets help in delegating the authorities. When we talk about delegating means dividing, giving the authority to each and every person, that is from the top level, that is from the manager to the workers level, so that they feel pride in achieving that objectives. They feel that they are also equally important. They feel accountable. They feel that it is their duty to achieve these targets. So the budgets help in giving, in delegating, in providing this authority, this power to each and every person in an organization. The last point is effective control. Budgets help in effectively controlling the deviations, the barriers in the actual performance so that the performance is not hit, and whatever is the hindrance, whatever is the deviation, whatever is the problem in the path of the performance is found out and it can be worked out, it can be removed. For example, earlier a machine could produce say 1000 units and that machine went off, that is it has got a wear and tear, it is not working properly. So this deviation can be solved, this problem can be solved by placing two machines at the same time. Say supposingly one is not working properly, so the production can be shifted to the other machine. This is effective control, what budgets help in. So children, we discussed about meaning of budget. We also discussed about the features of budget. We had seen a comparison between forecast and budgets, and we have also discussed about the utilities of budget. How are they useful? Thank you. Have a good day.